Once we talk about the screen recorder, most of you will recommend OBS, which is a free open source screen recorder. You may use OBS to record things such as gameplay, live streaming videos, Zoom meetings, and movies. However, there are also some various problems when you are using it. For example, the output file size may be over large, the features are limited, or the operations are complex. Today, I'm going to show you the best OBS alternative for recording, which is FocuSee. We think you will love it. Let's dive in. FocuSee is the best OBS Studio alternative for recording as well as the best screen recording tool, enabling people without editing skills to create amazing videos. Importantly, FocuSee has core features to enhance the unique user experience, such as automatic pan and zoom, captivating pro-level edits, 2x highlighting with the spotlight, rich cursor styles and click effects, convenient sharing options, automatic caption generation, and dual system compatibility. Whether it's for tutorials, promotional videos, or demos, FocuSee can make video production a breeze and help you achieve excellent results. Unlike OBS, for which you normally need 10 different OBS plugins to achieve, FocuSee is more convenient and has a friendly interface. You can easily operate it according to your needs as a beginner. Now, let me show you how to record your screen and create an eye-catching video easily by using FocuSee. First of all, download the latest version of FocuSee and run it. Then, you'll see in the popped-up window that FocuSee thoughtfully provides us with 3 recording modes: full screen, custom, and window. Meanwhile, you can set the system audio or microphone sound here. Next, let's choose custom as an example. You can click this button to start the recording, and after a 3-second countdown, the recording will officially begin. During the recording process, FocuSee provides you with restart, delete, and pause functions to meet various demands you might have during the recording process. When you finish recording, you can see that it has automatically followed the mouse to generate zoom, highlighting the key areas of the video. What's more, you can see a rich set of built-in video editing tools here to help you create high-level videos. You can adjust the mouse size, cursor style, click sound, camera settings, etc. Let's have a deeper look. Firstly, for the video beautification part, multiple size options are provided for you to choose from, which is convenient for sharing on various social media platforms. You can even customize the video size as you like. Additionally, if you don't like the background of the video, FocuSee also supports a one-click replacement of the background. The next is the cursor settings. You can change the size and style of the cursor, click effects, and even sound effects here. Then, for the motion blur settings, whether it's zooming in motion blur, screen motion blur, or cursor motion blur, this effect can be applied to give the video a stronger visual impact and a sense of immersion. What's more, FocuSee can also support you in flexibly adjusting the camera effect and adding captions and watermarks as you need. Even more surprisingly, as mentioned earlier, the video has generated a zoom-in effect for mouse clicks automatically. But if you don't need it, you can delete it on the track after the recording is completed, or adjust it. Of course, basic editing operations on the track can also be carried out. After completing these adjustments, we can export the produced video. You can export the video with high quality such as 4K 60 FPS, or even choose to export it as a GIF. Above is all the content of the video. Thanks for watching. It is said that those who like it after watching this video will be luckier in 2025. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.